My overall impression of the Ritz-Carlton Tokyo is very positive. I just want to say that the staff at this hotel is exceptionally well trained. The moment we arrived, it was pouring rain outside, so I was completely soaked from head to toe. However, they gave us some clean towels and umbrellas, so when we went back out into the rain, we wouldn't continue to get even more wet. And we arrived about an hour early, so they held our luggage for us until check-in time. Cleanliness of the hotel was exceptional, very, very clean. The venues were also very nice. The fitness center was well staffed, had friendly staff on hand. And the lobby, I really enjoyed sitting in the lobby, just people watching, reading books. As I mentioned, they had tea time, and it was cool watching all these interesting people come in and out. And room service wise, it was definitely overpriced, but you're paying for convenience. And on that end, the food was pretty tasty, but price wise, obviously it's going to be overpriced because you are paying for that convenience. And as far as price for the room goes, when I stayed, I used point redemption for Marriott, and it was about 88,000 points. And if you are paying cash, the usual rate that I'm seeing right now is about $1,000 to $1,200 US dollars. However, because I am a Titanium Elite member with Marriott, they gave me complimentary breakfast for two, so that definitely balanced out the costs, and it was very nice, so I'm not complaining.